Hello friends, welcome back to Sabre Basic training tutorial. Today we will cover lesson 3. The topic is Sabre Atlas. It's an interesting and very useful topic, so keep on watching till the end. We will cover so important commands in Sabre Atlas in this tutorial. So once again, welcome all of you to this session. My name is Zia. So let's start the first command, which is how to find out the closest airport to a city. Let's look at the command William slash hyphen Charlie Yankee. This is the command, and you can enter the city name. I'm writing here city name as Dubai, then comma and 2-letter code of the country, that is AE. If you enter, you will get all the closest airport to Dubai, and you can get all the distance also mentioned here. So this is how we find out the closest airport to a city. Now we will look at the next command, which is how to find out closest airports to airport. Here is the command William slash hyphen then Alpha Tango, then 3-letter code of the airport. Here I have written Bahrain. The code is Bravo Alpha Honey. So we have all the nearest airports to Bahrain. These are the airports. Now let's look at the third command in this tutorial. So third one is how can we find the distance between two cities. Let's look at the command William slash hyphen Charlie Yankee, then you can type the city name. I'm writing here Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. The 2-letter country code I have written after the comma, then type cross of Lauren, again Charlie Yankee, can type the city name, then which is the mom, and sugar alpha, that is the country code of Saudi Arabia. You can enter here. Once you enter, you will get the distance in mile and kilometer, both are written here. So this is how you will find out the distance between two cities. Now let's have a look at the fourth command, which is how to find out the distance between city and airport. Let's look at the command here William slash hyphen Charlie Yankee, that is the command, and type your city name, which is I'm going to type here Jeddah, then 2-letter country code, then enter cross of Lauren, after that Alpha Tango, then the airport code Delta Mike. So here it is response from Sabre. The distance is 750 miles and 1207 kilometers from Jeddah to Dammam airport. So this is how we will find out the distance between city and airport. Now we are going to check another command, which is fifth command. We will check distance between two airports. How we will check distance between two airports? The command is William slash Alpha Tango. You can type Romeo United Honey, which is Riyadh, then Cross of Lauren, again Alpha Tango, then three-letter code of the airport. Sorry, let's check. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to enter hyphen here. Okay, so this is how we will check the distance between two airports. So this is the command here. Okay, now we will check last and final command in this session, which is how to display country and the city information for a country name start with A. That is, you can enter Nancy display slash globe, then you can enter the first alphabet of the country name. If you enter A, you will get all the country names and details of the countries which are starting by letter A. So you can move down, you get all countries broadly explained here. So guys, let's wind up this session now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.